Hello viewers! Today, we are covering the 5 best motorcycle carb cleaners on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started! Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Gumout 800-002231 Carb and Choke Cleaner. No matter what type of vehicle you purchase, a car or a motorcycle, it will eventually begin to develop startup issues. When that happens, it is high time to clean out your carburetor with the Gumout Carb and Choke Cleaner. Other than carburetors, this cleaner can clean all sorts of colorless metal components and choke valves. Another incredible feature of this equipment is that it is roughly 3 times more potent than the others, so you don't have to worry about its efficiency. The 14-ounce can of cleaner features acetone, carbon dioxide, and toluene. It gives the carburetor a thorough and clean finish by reducing stalling, high exhaust discharge, hard starting, and harsh idling. What it does is that it quickly gets rid of deposits from the inside and outside of the carb. This efficient process results in the engine performing much better than before, and it also improves the fuel economy. Having a product that enhances the fuel economy of your vehicle is worth the pay. It includes a spray head which contains a straw so you can use it accurately and effortlessly on the parts of the engine. One of the unique elements of this product is that you can apply it to the apparatus when it is either on or off. However, you need to drizzle the cleaner down the throat of the carburetor only when the engine is on. Number 2. Our second best pick is CRC Carb and Choke Cleaner. We are all aware of the problems that can happen due to the negligence of not taking care of the carburetor. The pollutants in the oil would result in an oil layer and grime. Consequently, the lubricating components combine with the dust and thus disrupt the work of an engine. The CRC Carb Cleaner can efficiently remove the sludge deposits that hamper with the carb activity. If you prefer carb cleaners in the form of a spray, this product is the perfect one to own. For almost all other carb cleaners, you will have to remove the carburetor or other components that are filled with gunk and varnish so that you can clean them. Whereas with this cleaner, you can clean the carburetor without having it removed from its place. You can either purchase it in clear or limited edition. This product also contains less harmful organic ingredients, so it will not damage the oxygen sensors and catalytic converters and keep the carburetor unspoiled. Your vehicle may begin to stutter or stop in the middle of nowhere because of a grime-covered carburetor. If it does, you can seamlessly spray it with this cleaner and later wipe it with a rag, and it will turn as good as new. Number 3. Our third best pick is Berryman B12 Carb Cleaner. Any vehicle you purchase, the essential factor for you is to achieve the optimal performance for the cash you spend on it. Thus, every component of your car has to be in tip-top shape. One of the most important parts is the carburetor due to its detailed job of combining air and gas to produce the optimal combustion. But deposits like gunk and grime often build up and damage the essential equipment. So, cleaning the carburetor will not only improve its efficiency but also increase the fuel economy. The Berryman B12 Carb Cleaner is a traditional carb cleaner, primarily if you use gasoline to drive your vehicle. It can remove gum and varnish deposits, and you can also use this cleaner on various types of vehicles like cars, motorcycles, and all-terrain vehicles. Unlike other carb cleaners, this cleaner can protect the interior of your car in many ways. It not only removes the sludge deposits from the carburetor but also generates a protective coat on its surface, which means that it gets contaminated slowly. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Gumout 510021 Fuel Injector and Amp Carburetor Cleaner. With a plethora of fuel injectors in the market, it is quite necessary to choose an effective cleaner for your vehicle. A clean and efficient fuel system will make sure that the engine runs efficiently, improves acceleration, and stops the impending buildup in the injectors. The Gumout Fuel Injector Cleaner is the best fuel injector available. It's not only a fuel injector cleaner but a carburetor cleaner as well. One of the chief reasons for fuel injectors and carburetors clogging up is carbon deposit, which in turn depletes the amount of fuel that is supposed to reach the engine. This cleaner also works on intake valves and ports. What it does is quite simple and efficient. It removes the carbon and gunk deposits from the engine. Also, it maximizes the performance of your vehicle, decreases emissions, and lessens fuel consumption. Just one bottle of this cleaner can handle about 21 gallons of gasoline. This versatile product can be applied to both turbocharged and supercharged cars, and it will work effectively. It also ensures the safety of oxygen sensors and can be used after completing 3,000 miles. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Liqui Moly Cleaner. The heart of an automotive engine is the carburetor. It is designed with many complicated overlays and placed in a spot where it is challenging to reach. So, it becomes difficult to clean the accumulated dirt and vanish if you have been using traditional scrubbing techniques and brushes. If you're having problems with your vehicle, then the Liqui Moly Cleaner will not disappoint you. It's a modern combination of additives with cleaning and dissolving qualities enable you to protect the carburetor. I'm confident that you'll find this as one of the best fuel additives for carbureted motorcycles. This cleaner improves the performance of your engine by removing grime, dirt, and carbon deposits from the carb. Also, it functions as a valve cleaner with an ash-free feature that cleans intake valves, spark plugs, and the combustion chamber. These metallic components are easily affected by the constant buildup of carbon, and the accumulation of it leads to slower performance of the vehicle. But by using this carb cleaner, you can effortlessly get rid of the coal and increase your vehicle performance. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.